Everybody loves to hear that they performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us.
This is Kenny Meredith on Google. I've been doing business with ChemTech for 25 plus years, and they've always been prompt, responsive, and competitive. They've maintained commercial roofs for us, as well as new and replacement roofs, and I have total trust and confidence in their work and their integrity.
Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value your business, and we want to show you why. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.